Alright, hey guys, I'll be here helping you submit your athletic clearance form today. And so what we want to do first is log into this website right here. Then after that, just click on California and register an account. And after you register an account, just come back to this screen and type in your username and password. Just sign in. So here I completed mine right here. This is what it should look like, and once complete, Mr. Lucier will, or someone else will clear it. And you can start your clearance right here, and then just choose the school year. So we're in doing badminton, right, for 18-19. So then select your school, sport, and then submit. So now you get to this screen and just fill out all your information. And yeah, insurance. Alright, and then this is an important part. So you have to know like where you've been, and then depending on what you check, you print a form. And then you guys can talk to Mr. Lucier about that if you check any of these. But then this is, but for the majority of us, it's this, so it's good. So then just save. Alright, and you get to this screen, and this is where you need to do some work. So you print out the physical form, which is on the Silver Creek website. And it's under athletics. And you scroll all the way down until you see this. This is what you want to bring to your doctor to get signed. Alright, after you get this done, go back here and upload your file. Yep. By choosing it and whatnot. And it's your physical form, and then take a picture of your insurance card or whatever, and just do the same thing, and then save. On to the next one, and then just fill in all of these. Right, then remember to save. Now you're on to parents and guardian information, and just fill this out. Alright, and then see who's filling out this form. And this right here is if you want to play sports in college, so just pick whatever you want. And then submit. And here you just get your parents to sign or whatnot. And you see these PDFs, yeah, you don't need to worry about them, but you can print it out if you want, but there's like no use. Then just submit, and this is if you want to donate. If not, just skip to confirmation, select some more sports you want to do, whatnot, and click that, submit, and you're done. Just wait for your athletic director to clear and you're done. Alright, thank you.